The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Claiborne County, Hancock County, Lee County, and Southwest Virginia until 1 p.m. At 12:23 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Harrogate-Shawway, or 5 miles southeast of Middlesboro. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Jonesville, Ewing, and Rose Hill. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.
This is NOAA Weather Radio.